Struggling to add a button link in your Namecheap header? Follow these exact clicks to get it done in under 5 minutes. I will walk you through the 6 simple steps to get this done. From opening your site to customizing that navigation button, you will have a clickable link in your header in no time. So let us start. First, you need to open your site in Namecheap's website builder. Head over to your Namecheap dashboard and find the section where you can edit or create your websites. This is the main launchpad for everything you want to change. Just click into the site you want to work on. It might take a second for the editor to load, but that is perfectly normal. Now, once you are inside the editor, you are going to see your whole page laid out in front of you. Look for the highlighted area on the screen. This is your cue to click there and proceed. This highlight is pointing you toward the section we need to adjust, so go ahead and give it a click. Next, we need to select the header section. In the editor, you will see different areas you can click on. Find the one labeled Header and click it. This is where all your top navigation elements live, so this is exactly where we want to be. Now, pay attention to this part. You will see a few different navigation styles to choose from. We want to pick Navigation 3. This specific layout includes the space for a button link, which is exactly what you were looking for. Just click on Navigation 3 from the options. You will see it highlight itself once you select it. Once you have that selected, you need to click on the highlighted button area within the navigation itself. This is a little spot right in the header where the button will live. Click on that highlighted area to activate it. This is where you will be able to type in your text and add your link. And then finally, you want to make sure all your changes stick. Look for the Continue button and click it. This saves everything you have just done. You will see your new button link appear right in the header navigation. And that is it. You have now moved from a plain header to having a functional button link that drives user action. Pretty straightforward, right? Thanks for following along.